My name is Anand Murthy Raj, and I'm a transformation consultant. I am the director of Gladwell Academy India. I'm also the first SAFE Fellow of Asia and second in the Eastern Hemisphere of the globe. And I'm also the first SAFE Practice Consultant Trainer in Asia. So my role is to help organizations break silos and focus on customer centricity and deliver business value to customers.
How to take the audience response?
I think the response here was extremely good. At least in my talk, I saw the whole crowd. People were standing and listening. I was very happy to see that. I was also trying to tell the importance of AI, what AI can do, what AI cannot do, what AI should not do, which is it doing today. And I think the crowd was taking in a very positive way.
This platform is very useful to students and you and businessmen, right?
Yeah, this platform is very important for especially students, because most of them are on the verge of coming out of college and joining industry. And it's a time where there is a confluence of biotech and infotech now. So artificial intelligence can be used for doing some great things, but it can also be used for doing wrong things. So my objective was to tell people what is right, what is wrong, and as engineers, once they come out, what should they do? That was my objective.
Anything you want to help?
I think it's important for all of us to understand the rate in which technology is changing the way we do business, the way we lead our life. When I generally tell, you may not need a WIFE now, but you will definitely need WIFI now. Okay, Wi-Fi is not required, but Wi-Fi is required. So it's very important.
Both is very important.
So it's very important for people to understand that the rapidity of change is so high, and we must learn how to deal with these changes. So India is growing very fast. It's a great opportunity for us ahead, and if we change our mindset and do the right things, I don't see a reason in the next 20-30 years we may be the number one in the world.
What about the evening section, award section?
I think it's very important. It's very important for us to also understand that we have to give back to the society, and that's exactly what the organizers are doing. They are trying to call a few people and then give them some awards. They're also calling them dignitaries, and without their help, it is not possible. So I think it's a great idea to honor people, and without any self-interest, they are transferring all the benefit that they're getting to the right students. So it's narration team have done a great job. Hats off to them.